Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. From today, we are going to start a new series which will be based on DevOps and advanced DevOps. We will be considering the syllabus of the Mumbai University IT Engineering Semester 5. So first we will cover the DevOps part from the syllabus, and then we will cover advanced DevOps part. So let's see the syllabus of this DevOps and advanced DevOps. So So this is our course structure. So first we'll understand what is DevOps, what are its engineer roles and the responsibility. Then we will see the what is version control system. That is our Git and GitHub. Then we will learn some of the commands of that, and after that we'll move to the Jenkins. Jenkins is nothing but continuous integration and continuous development tool, and we will create some pipelines using that. And then we will understand the Jenkins master slave architecture, and then we'll see the Selenium automation test script, and then after that we will look the Docker and Docker files, how to create the Docker file, and then we will see the Puppet configuration. And after that, in advanced DevOps part, we will first see the Cloud9 IDE, which is a collaboration. Like if you want to collaborate from two or more developers on one IDE, then it is suitable for that. Then we will understand the storage options, like how to deploy some application on EC2 instance using AWS code deploy. Then after that, we will understand the Kubernetes cluster architecture, and we will configure that, and we'll understand the master slave architecture of that. Then after that, we will understand the Terraform, and then in the seventh experiment, we'll see the static analysis SST tool, which is a Sonar Cube integration with our GitHub project. And then we will create a CI/CD pipeline which will continuously test our code after our commit. Then after that, we will understand the continuous monitoring and installation configuration of Naga's core, Naga's plugin. And then, so these are the optional, like what we have. So we have to complete minimum 10 experiments, but we will perform all of this. So there is an AWS Lambda function of the AWS provider, right? So I think you haven't got any of the things because you do not have any idea, right? So you forget it whatever I have said now. We will cover in every video, like in very detail, right? So first of all, we need to consider that we will require one machine, right? So it can be anything, like you can do in a 4 GB RAM laptop also, right? We require only instances. Now what is instance? Instance is nothing but my virtual machines. Virtual machines are nothing but computer which are hosted on another uh, what is say another area. Let's say in America, in Mumbai, there are many providers like AWS is there, and then GCP, Azure. These are the providers, and there are many more. Like Alibaba is also provider. So as per the syllabus, we will be creating AWS free tier account. So it requires card. Okay. So actually, what happens due to our uh, confusion, we we get more bill, right? We exceed the limit. So we do not prefer to use our own card, right? So what we will do, we will use the Fampay card. Now, what is Fampay card? So it is a mobile application which provides credit card or debit card uh, seamlessly. Like we do not have to provide all the details, just Aadhaar or PAN card detail is required. And then after that, we have to add this 2 rupees for and that in that Fampay card account, and it will be required for this verification of AWS account, and then they will return this 2 rupees after the confirmation is completed. Okay, so I will tell you what are the procedure of that Fampay card account creation. Okay, so in Google Play Store or App Store, you have to install this Fampay UPI payments for Teens app, and then after installation, you will get something like this. Okay, So this enter Fampay, you have to click on this enter Fampay, and then after that you will redirect to this page. You have to enter your full name, your date of birth, and here it is not mandatory that you have to be 18. Actually, it is meant for this teenagers only. That is under 18 also can create their own account. Okay, so you have to enter one referral code, that is in capital DIPA 0XFKS. I repeat, DIPA 0XFKS, right? And after that you will be read this page, this allow location access. You have to allow this location access, and then by default here whatever number you will be put, like your mobile number, so this will be your UPI ID, but you can create your own UPI ID as per your requirement. Like let's say you can have this hello UPI, okay, like this is the example, like as per your interest. Okay, so after that you will redirect to this home page. Now you have to verify, like you have to provide this Aadhaar card or all documents, right? So if you click on this get verified option, then you will be redirected to this. So you have to click on this button, and then you will be redirected to do this. So you have to click on the continue. Then you have to enter your PAN number. If you haven't, if you do not have PAN number, then what you have to do, you have to click this continue without PAN number. Or if you have, then you have to enter it there, and they will ask the OTP, and you can continue that. Okay, so enter your Aadhaar number. So if you have an Aadhaar number, then enter your Aadhaar card, and they will send one OTP which is linked to your Aadhaar card. And after you enter this OTP, your account will get verified. If you do not have anything, then you what you have to do, continue with minimum KYC. Then you will have the options of PAN card, driving license, passport, and voter ID, right? So any of the options you have to choose. I have to choose option of Aadhaar card. So they send one OTP, and that after entering that OTP, I got verified, and I am redirected to this page. So let's get Fampay, and after clicking this, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, what you have to do for getting the card, you have to swipe down this page, right? You have to swipe down this page, and here is a card, and if you click on that card, you will get your all the detail like card number, CVV, and expiration date. Now you have to add 2 rupees in this account with other account, like they have options of Paytm, PhonePe, any other account. You can add money in that, and only 2 rupees you have to add because it is required for this AWS confirmation. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to go to the AWS free tier. Okay, and then you have to click this create free account. Once you click this create free account, you will be redirected to this sign up. You have to enter your email ID, your name, and then all these are very easy process. Just you have to read, and the main process is just is that you have to enter your card number, right? There in the second step. After that, you have to give one OTP which will be received on your mobile registered mobile number, and then you have been successful registered for this AWS free tier account. And even if you get stuck, there are so many videos on YouTube, you can refer that. And I will meet you in the next video with main course, like we will be looking any of the experiment as per the requirement, and then we will be good to go. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel, and goodbye.